See if we can find a sale here. GigaParts, they sell a lot of stuff actually. What we got here? Okay, so the 101 is the same price from them. What in the hell is this? Why is this the same price? Well, why would it be $100? I don't know what this doesn't make sense. So, why would you ever buy the 100-watt radio for $100 less? This doesn't look right. There's something strange here. This must be like open box or something weird. Okay, I don't know what they're doing here. So they say $37.99, $36.99, $47.99. Why is this one a 101 MP Max? The 101D, $269. The 710 Field is $879. The FTDX10 is $11.99. Some of these other radios. 710 AES is $949. The 891 has dropped to $649. And the dual bander is $259. Let's see. 705 costs more. The 7100 costs more. The 7300 is about the normal price. This ICOM here, what is this? 65 watt radio. The 2730 is normal price. The 718 is the normal inflated price for the new version. And they've got some other stuff. They sell computers, and you wouldn't believe the stuff they sell. Really cool stuff. That thing's got a damn fan in it. Crazy. So, the Nixie tube things. 3D printers. Bamboo Labs. You know, I suspect this company's going to end up doing some weird stuff. Blocking your freedoms of what you can and cannot print. So, I'm just going to casually say that. I would avoid investing any large amounts of money into this brand of printer. Their printing is very closed source. Photography, astronomy, radios, computer. Anyway, guys, let's see, just out of sheer curiosity, what kind of deals might be on telescopes. We can explore scientific 10-inch truss telescope for $5.99 is actually not too bad. Skywatcher Quattro 200p, $6.99. I don't know too much about that scope. I've got a Skywatcher 250p right over there. I do have a 200p. I need a base for it. Let's see here. And everything else is just down to the eyepieces. Let me see something really quick. They're not selling any of the really big stuff. I don't even dare look at the camera stuff. We're calling it the pre-Black Friday. So anyway, there you go. Take a look at their site and see. You might pick up some deals. Who knows? Might not.